Well, today, Governor Greg Abbott released a new agenda for the special session set to take place later this month. Items to discuss include improving warning systems and other preparedness protocols for flood-prone areas, eliminating the STAR test and replacing it with tools that assess students' progress is also on the agenda, reducing property tax burden, adding THC regulations, as well as legislation imposing spending limits on entities authorized to impose property taxes, and much more will be discussed.
Well, we are here to help as Texans continue to band together. If you want to give to the recovery effort, we have streamlined that process. You can scan the QR code on your screen right now and you'll be able to make a monetary donation. We have partnered with news stations across the state and vetted nonprofit organizations, and together we have raised over $160,000. If you want more information on other ways to give back, you can visit our website at kcentv.com. And once again, thank you for giving.